I love the drive, the zeal, and the energy at Bloqs, and most of all, that passion. I think it's very inspiring for me. I'd done my first degree in history and sociology. Then my dad was trying to persuade me to study law, but I really wanted to do this fashion stuff. From that moment, I just knew, this is what I'm going to do the rest of my life. I wanted a bit of flexibility with a workspace, somewhere nice and clean and with good equipment. So I was searching for that and I thought, hold on a minute, this looks interesting. It's a beautiful space. It's a great community spirit. And I think that's what's beautiful about it. It gives me that space and the mindset to be really, really creative and to flow. I'm always a very happy person, so I say hello to everybody when I come in. Because it's a creative space, and then you get to meet people, and in meeting people, you form some good friendships here. The other people find value in what you do and have an appreciation of who you are. One of my favorite quotes is from Pablo Picasso. Everything you can imagine is real. If you can see it, even though it's in a non-tangible space, it's already real. We're creating this yellow outfit from silk organza, and it's got a bit of beaded lace as well. And I wanted to make something really elegant and catchy. And then we have London Fashion Week. I love the shows, meeting people, showing what we can do. I also believe in simplicity. When it's nicely tailored, the lines are fine, and there's a lot of thought into the detailing that makes it extra special.